Hi, and welcome to Gokuri's Kitchen. Today, we're showing you another pasta recipe. This super easy dish is both creamy and cheesy, kaya siguradong magugustuhan nyo. Chicken Alfredo. Let's start with the ingredients. We have chicken breast fillet, onion and garlic, parsley for topping, linguine for our pasta, quick melt cheese, butter, all-purpose cream, dried thyme leaves, olive oil, and syempre salt and pepper. For the full list of ingredients, please check the description box below. Now let's prepare our ingredients starting with our chicken breast fillet. I-season lang natin both sides ng salt, pepper, at nung dried thyme leaves. Baliktarin lang natin at i-season din yung kabilang side. Tapos set aside. Next, isunod naman natin yung sibuyas. Dice 1 medium-sized onion, tapos ganun din sa bawang. Pag ready na lahat ng ingredients, unahin na nating lutuin yung pasta. In a pot of boiling water, add about 3 tablespoons of salt. Then, cook the pasta according to package instructions. Once again, pwede kayong gumamit ng pasta of your choice. We're using linguine for our recipe today. Bago maluto yung pasta, make sure that you scoop out about a cup of the pasta water. Gagamitin natin yan mamaya para sa sauce. Next, lutuin naman natin yung chicken. In a pot kung saan kayo magluluto ng sauce, melt 1/4 cup of butter at dagdagan din natin ng konting olive oil para di masunog yung butter. Tapos, lutuin lang yung chicken breast na tinimplahan natin kanina, mga 4 minutes per side or hanggang sa maluto. Pagluto na yung kabilang side, baliktarin lang natin at lutuin yung kabila for another 4 minutes. Pagluto na, set aside and cook the other batch. Ayan, tapos na yung chicken breast fillet. Pwede na tayong magsimula sa sauce. Dun sa same pot na pinaglutuan natin ng chicken, cook the onion. And don't worry kung may mga parang brown bits sa gilid ng pot nyo. Magdadagdag yan ng sarap sa sauce natin. Isunod na rin natin yung bawang. Pagluto na yung bawang, pwede na nating ilagay yung all-purpose cream. Mix well at antayin kumulo. Pag kumukulo na yung cream, pwede na nating ilagay yung quick melt cheese. Hiniwa lang natin to into small cubes para mas madaling matunaw. As soon as matunaw na yung cheese, pwede na tayong maglagay ng salt and pepper. Tikman nyo muna yung sauce para alam nyo kung gaano kadami yung ilalagay. Tapos, ihalo na natin yung chicken. Hiniwa din natin yung chicken into bite-sized pieces. Ayan, ready na ang ating sauce. Ihalo na natin yung sauce sa pasta. Maglalagay rin tayo ng konting pasta water pag masyadong malapot yung sauce. Tapos, haluin lang ng mabuti. Check nyo din if need pa magdagdag ng salt and pepper. Ayan na, ready na ang Chicken Alfredo. I-transfer na natin sa isang serving dish. Para mas cheesy, we will top it with grated Parmesan cheese. And ng parsley for additional color. This is it! Chicken Alfredo by Gokuri's Kitchen. An easy dish na perfect pang pamilya. Thank you for watching, and once again, don't forget to subscribe and share this recipe to your friends. Thanks again and see you on our next video.